All right, guys, I'm going to start a little slideshow today about the human body in general. In class, we've talked about tissues, okay? And then Thursday, we're going to look more at organs, and then Friday, what's called organ systems. But I'm going to begin that today. Okay, so again, a very important word. You got to know this. An organism means any living thing. It's like one of the most important things you need to know out of this whole year. Okay, we've talked about, I think, that the human's body is made of 10 trillion cells. And obviously, they are microscopic. You need a microscope to see them. Okay, so as we've discussed on Monday and Tuesday, a group of cells form tissue. Well, one of our major tissue groups is muscle tissue. Okay, and tissues work together to help our body function. So here is muscle tissue in your leg. Okay, we'll talk about all different kinds of that, like with ligaments and stuff like that. But there is muscle tissue. So a group of cells, similar cells, combine to form tissues. Okay, there is the heart. So cells make tissues. Well, then a group of similar tissues get together and make what's called an organ. Okay. And we have many important organs in our body, but obviously one of the most important ones is the heart right here. Okay. And the muscle tissues in your heart, there are muscles in your heart, and that's what pumps the blood through your body, is those muscle tissues in your heart. Okay. Another important organ is your lungs. Okay. And the lungs are outside of the heart. And obviously, your lungs, or hopefully you know that your lungs are what allow you to breathe. Okay. Then we have organs that group together. So we have cells make tissues, tissues make organs, and we have organs make organ systems. And here's an example of, or part of, the digestive system. Okay. And it's made up of partly of the stomach, and then an organ called the pancreas. You see it in there. Okay. And then the small intestine, and then the large intestine. There's other organs, but those are three main parts of the digestive system. Again, similar cells forming similar tissue, making an organ. Okay, and that's what absorbs your food and your nutrients. Okay, now all of these organs then combine to form what's called organ systems. And there are 11 major ones in our body. One of the main ones is called the circulatory system. Okay, and that is the heart. Okay, the circulatory system's job or function is to get blood throughout your body. We'll look at that more early next week. All right, so we're back around. So hopefully those will answer your questions for you today. As always, you can redo those, but this is real important information. So hopefully you do well. Take care.